Well, here we are on the Arkansas River, and this is Osakai's first day of fly fishing in the river.
Yep.
We're going down to the Ark, and we're going to see if we can catch us a big one.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. We got a nice stretch of water here. It's beautiful. We're going to be nymphing. Hopefully the water's not running too hard. If Osakai falls in, we'll just baptize him right here in the Arkansas River. Okay, just work your way out there. Easy does it. Right out there in those riffles. Not too deep, be careful. That's good enough for right now. Just throw it right out there in those riffles. There you go. There he is. Fly fishing in the Arkansas River. Nicely done. He's got great form. He's a natural. Yeah. There's Osakai. We moved up a Howard. He's fishing a really good run. He's got excellent form. There he comes. Wading.
I got tangled.
It's tangled? Oh my word. Let's see, how bad is it?
What?
How bad is it? What do you think of wading in the river?
It's fun.
You like it?
Yeah.
Tell all them fishing learners what they need to know.
When you fall, don't get baptized.